So there will be times in life and life will come and make you emotional, and all of us do. What is important is not what happened to me when I was emotional. What happens after that was important. I'm a fan of people who demonstrate that after the emotions, the choices I execute, the decisions I make, the initiatives I take will be such that the world will turn around to look at me. And most of the average people in life stay in those emotions. They remain in those emotions. And a lot of people who remain a failure in life because they stay with that emotion. The easiest thing in life is to remain emotional. You become nothing in life. I'm not saying you should not become emotional. It's human to become emotional. What happens after you go through that emotion? Do you continue to sulk and shrink in that emotion? Or at some stage you pull up your socks, you pull up your sleeves, and you tell life, I'm bouncing back in life. Here I come. Only 4 traits. I'm not giving big scripture for you. Just 4 traits. 1, you will not resilience. 2, passion. 3, sincerity. And 4, what you do after the emotions settle down. Not what you go through during the emotions. What you do after the emotions settle down is going to determine whether you're going to be another one in the crowd or yours is a life that the world has to watch one day.